The truth about swallowing chewing gum, myths and facts explained. 1. Swallowing chewing gum doesn't stay in your stomach for 7 years. That's a myth. 2. Your body can't digest gum, but it will pass through your digestive system. 3. Gum is mostly made of rubber, but it's safe to swallow in moderation. 4. Some cultures believe swallowing gum can lead to bad luck or health issues. 5. Chewing gum can aid digestion and freshen breath, making it a popular choice. Like this video, subscribe for more fun facts.